Hi everybody and welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome. And we're going to start this off with this tray, and I mean this may have been at the Dollar Tree for a while, over the years. I just have not seen it, and I just figured I'd show it to you. Summer's coming. I guess maybe dip in here with different chips or maybe candy or anything, any way you want to use it. But they had a couple of different colors. I chose to get the white, and then you could also probably put it on like a circular thing, like a lazy, what are those things called? Like, I forget what they're called. As a matter of fact, I have one. Hold on. Okay, now I don't even know where I got this, but it's one of those things where it spins, okay? And so, and if you think I can think of the name of that thing? Oh, maybe that won't work because you'd have to really go under it to spin it. You'd probably have to like tape it to it or glue it to it. All right, forget that idea. Anyway, guys, so I figured I'd just show you this and show you stuff for like, anything you want. This video is my Whatever Wednesday, and it's kind of like storage and like little things for the house. Okay, so you may have seen me haul these already, the back part of it, and these little shelvings that go on it right here. It just kind of hooks on, and you can just like hook it on anywhere on the thing. But I also found, this did have that paper on it, but I took it off so you could see it. But I found a new addition to it. I keep getting different pieces to it, and there's a basket, okay? So let me kind of get it at an angle so you can kind of see. I'll put it like up on the wall, because that's where you'd be putting it, right? On the wall. Okay. And what I would do with these is I would kind of turn them up a little bit, like take something hot, to turn these up so things won't roll off of it. But you can kind of get the idea of how big it is. That's one of those Dollar Tree carrots. I don't really think you're going to put anything heavy in here unless you really anchored them to the wall really good. I'd probably put it in my kitchen and like put some coffee pods in there maybe, or, it's just like you can put that in your bathroom too. There's so many places you could put this in your bedroom, on one side of like where you get ready, I just think there's a lot you can do with this, and plus you can also, put them on top of each other too. It doesn't have to be that they're just side by side like that, And when I do decide where I want to set mine up, I'll show you how I do it, guys. It's just that I just have not decided where I want to put mine yet. I'm still on the fence whether I'm going to put it in my bathroom or my kitchen. And then here is one of those handbag storage holders. I did show this through, in one of my walkthroughs, but I'm going to put it on the wall and I'm going to see how it holds, purses. Okay, guys, so I hung it up so you could see like the size of it. I didn't want to put my purse in it because my purse is really heavy. I didn't feel like taking everything out of my purse, so I just stuck these like sandbag bunnies in there from the Dollar Tree. And yeah, so you can see there's plenty of room for a purse. Okay, that's pretty cool. I like how that goes. There's plenty of room in there. See? And I rolled up a couple of bath towels just so you could see how the bath towels are looking there. And those bath towels are actually huge. In particular, this pink one's huge. Okay, so you can see. And then there'd be room for another one. You could probably put sweaters in there, whatever you want. Doesn't have to be purses, right? So this video is basically practicality and storage, okay? So this little thing is practical. I got the shower cap, but it's also so cool. Look at that retro print on that shower cap, right? And I was thinking I should have got two, because then I could use one of them for like some kind of material in the dollhouse. I could make some retro curtains or something for the dollhouse. That'd be so cool, right? So anyway, guys, that's that for the practical / storage part of my Whatever Wednesday. And now I want to go on to show you how I'm going to finish decorating my little Dollar Tree Christmas tree. And everything, I'm pretty sure everything I used on it is from the Dollar Tree. Okay, so here is the little mini Dollar Tree tree. But if you watched part 1, which I was going to make it another short, but I changed my mind, so I'll put in it that it's also part 2 of the tree. Right here, I filled in the tree with like this wire tinsel. It's 20 feet long, and I bought it at Dollar Tree. It's got like little bunnies on it. I don't know if you can see that. That one's upside down. The bunnies are upside down. See them? So anyway, I did that, and so it filled in the tree because the tree was pretty flimsy. And then everything on the tree is actually from the Dollar Tree as well. All the ornaments are all from the Dollar Tree. Okay? But I have some more ornaments from the Dollar Tree. We're going to doll it up a little bit better. So I got these lights from the Dollar Tree. Does anybody else hate opening these packs of lights as much as I do? The battery pack is insane. You have to have a little screwdriver with you at all times. You have to know where it is. So anyway, I just did one. I don't think I need 2 for the tree. You see how it lights up? So I'm going to leave the battery pack down here, and I'm going to weave it up through the tree, and I'll be right back. And you can kind of see what I'm trying to do here. I'm just trying to weave it up and through, kind of wind it around. So, but I'm going to need 2 hands for that. Okay, so as you can see, I weaved it through the tree the best I could. I think the best bet would have been if I had done that first, but I didn't, so I'm doing it now, okay? And now I'm going to add some ornaments. So we're going to put these cute little chickies on. Okay, so I'm just going to kind of like randomly find spots for these little chickies to go on the tree. Unfortunately, I am going to need 2 hands. Let me go ahead and use 2 hands. Actually, if you're feeling confident, you can also just kind of like place them, and they may stay just like that. Let me see if I can kind of just like place them. Yeah, they're kind of like, that might end up falling out, but if you place it just right, like, and you hook the little thing up, it might stay in. And if you want to keep it like, you know, like that, you could always like take the strings off of them. So, okay, so here is how it's coming together. I think it's so pretty, and I am going to show it to you with the light out, and I am going to put a skirt on it to hide the battery pack. Okay, but I got one little last ornament because I am Catholic. So Jesus is, you know, I mean, Easter is about Jesus too. Well, basically it is about Jesus. It's not 2. There's no 2 about it, but let me get that on there somewhere. Okay, so I ended up putting that at the top of the tree, as you can see. And obviously you can decorate your tree any way you want. You know, mine is a little bit of a hot mess, but I am going to put that skirt on it, and I am going to put it on that little round thing that I was using in the first part of the video to make it go around. So let me go get it. So I finally remembered that this is called a turntable. Okay. I couldn't figure out what the heck that name of that thing was. So now I'm going to put one of these white cloths that you get at the Dollar Tree in the automotive section. I'm going to put that at the bottom. So it kind of looks like snow in a way, because I live in New England and sometimes it snows around Easter time. Now let me go ahead and I'm going to shut one of the lights off so you can kind of see how it's coming along. You can obviously use anything for the bottom of it, but I'm going to use that for now until I can find something prettier. Okay, so here it is with a little bit of the light out. I'm not going to say anything else in case the video runs out. Thank you for watching, guys, and I'll see you in the next video. And I hope you enjoyed this video.